you tired of too many charging cables dangling around your work table? If yes, then you are on the right channel, because today I will show you how you can manage charging cables. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it right now, and do not forget to click on bell icon so you never miss our future videos. For this purpose I am using Elink cable clip. It comes with 20 different size clips, 3 large, 4 medium, 8 small clips and 5 cable ties. Each clip has a sticky side, which can stick easily on different type of surfaces.
The dangling cables not only look ugly, but they can also be tripping or shocking hazard for small kids. So be safe and let's fix this mess.
On the screen you can see I have used 3 medium-sized clips and tie wraps to manage cables. Cables are looped up so they do not fall down the floor. These simple, cheap and clean solutions can make your life easy and enhance the look of your home or office. A quick comparison on the screen shows you how quickly we make the cable mess look nicer and safer.
Please do not forget to support our channel. Like this video, give us your feedback by comments and forward to your family and friends. Subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon.